English is a truly global language. Fluent English gives access to a wide range of learning and career opportunities. The series English Expedition for CISCE helps learners develop fluent English through quality literature and skill-based exercises. Let's look at some of the remarkable features of the series. English Expedition contains a broad range of written works having a wide variety of themes. Every text comes bundled with a theme-based activity starter and in-text questions. The content is accompanied by beautiful illustrations and a pleasing layout. Along with literary text, the series also comes with a long list of informative texts. These texts prompt learners to think critically, develop interest in various subjects, and feed their curiosity. It has literature from India and all over the world, exposing the learners to a broad range of styles, themes, cultures, and ideas. The content in the series is a balanced mix of fiction and non-fiction texts. It allows students to be drawn into a world of wonderful stories and also learn about the world they live in. English Expedition also trains learners on a wide range of life skills and values. The texts in the series inspire learners to develop a scientific temper and learn more about their heroes. It also draws from several cultures and informs learners about the arts and history of many places around the world. Also included in the books are success stories of sports personalities. The series lays special focus on nurturing life skills, human values, and strong moral and ethical codes in learners. The theme-based starters help teachers break the ice and get students in the mood for learning. For classes 1 to 5, the series has many picture stories and comic strips. They develop visual thinking skills, increase engagement with the teacher, and also make reading fun. English Expedition gradually familiarizes learners with the works of one of literature's greatest masters, William Shakespeare. This enables them to work with challenging texts and prepares them to handle texts they will encounter in senior classes. A series of in-text questions keeps the readers engaged and on their toes. They allow readers to develop a more comprehensive understanding of the issues and themes in the text. English Expedition has a clean, pleasant, and refreshing layout. It lets readers stay focused on the text without being dull or distracting. The colorful and age-appropriate illustrations in the series transform words into vivid pictures. Every illustration is specifically designed to suit the text and class. They help readers visualize stories and present visual cues to help them remember what they have learned in class. English Expedition has works by a long list of writers belonging to different regions, time periods, and backgrounds. Another great feature of the series is the wide range of goal-oriented and graded exercises. The books provide ample opportunity to practice language concepts. The language and grammar concepts are explained in simple definitions. The series focuses on problem areas and hands-on learning. It has ample audio resources for developing listening skills. English Expedition focuses on vocabulary building and speaking skills. The sections on creative writing always come with tips and pointers to help students write better. The books have activities that let students think about and work on their values and life skills. What does the English Expedition course package include? Course books developed by some of the finest teachers and experts in the field of English language teaching. CDs with interactive exercises and games to help readers practice and retain what they have learned. Enhanced ebooks that make learning truly accessible. Animated video modules for all the chapters, which engross, entertain, and help students see stories in action. Test generators that encourage assessment of gaps in students' learning. And year-round web support. Let's start the expedition now.